Today, join me as I'll try a real homemade Indian food here at the SONI and SONA'S kitchen. SONI and SONA'S kitchen initially offers food for delivery, but now they have a physical store at the grid Nasipit, Talamban, Cebu City. Here they serve affordable yet quality dishes. Why? Because they are using fresh and they guarantee no preservatives in all their dishes. And one of their affordable combo is this one chicken tikka masala and 2 roti and 2 samosas for only 260 pesos. But of course, don't miss their chicken biryani and also their plain cheese and garlic naan, where it is best paired with their palak paneer. And of course, even though they have a physical store, their food is still available for deliveries. To order, you may just message their official social media accounts or you may contact 0976-039-8719. In the grid, they are open Tuesdays to Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Sundays and Monday from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then again, guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!